What if I were to say to you that the legacy of Napoleon Bonaparte has, in part, something to do with an Irish doctor? Would you believe me? Oh yes. Dr. Barry O'Mara became a significant and important ally with Napoleon Bonaparte during his exile later in his life to St. Helena. He was Emperor of the French by this point. His own physician wouldn't go with him to this island. Dr. Barry Edward O'Mara stepped up to the plate. This proved to be hugely important and very significant for the relations between the Irish and the French. Napoleon Bonaparte was hugely impressed by the tenacity and the courage of this doctor to step up to the plate, and he brought him to the island and he encouraged him to take notes and to write down their daily interactions, because he really liked this doctor and they became great friends for close to 3 years.